This is the quick all-you-need-to-know review of these professional escargot forks. As someone who loves hosting, I always look for new fun kitchen gadgets. I love the look of these classy forks. You can use them for escargots, but I use them for cheese platters and fruit platters. It is the perfect hygienic way to let your guests pick from a fruit plate or a cheese plate. The forks are high quality and very lightweight. I like the minimalistic simplicity and they look super elegant. They are quite sharp in the front, which makes them work perfectly for any type of food. I would say they are too small for a side salad, but perfect for smaller finger foods. They also works perfectly for olives. I got 4 packs of these and I've been putting them in the dishwasher and they don't scratch easily at all. I also really like these types of forks because it's sustainable. You don't have to use plastic since they are reusable. They are made from stainless steel, which makes them durable. Overall, I think these are a great product that can be used in many different ways. Therefore, I recommend them and you can buy them with confidence.